If you are a 3PL and you want the brands that fight counterfeits to trust you right now, here's what to show. Recording the authenticity check at receiving and send a single verifiable link. Most counterfeit claims grows because inbound handling is a black box. But when a camera sees the seal, the serial, and the handling steps clearly, the question stops. Here's what it looks like in action. The truck arrives and you scan the ASIN. VAudit starts recording the tags, the ASIN, PO, SKU, timestamp, and receiving lane. You hold the master carton to the lens. The seal is intact. The factory hologram is visible. The outer serial number reads clean. You cut the carton on the camera. As you pull the first inner pack, you show the model, the batch code, and the micromark directly to the lens. Then you hold up the supplier sheet for a beat. So the match is visible on the screen. If a label is on a seam and you reposition it and show the corrected placements clearly, you rebag the unit if needed. Close the flap, print the dock label, and hold the seal carton to the lens for 2 full seconds. The footage tells the full story. Now you send it. One secure link goes into a short message to the supplier with the brand copied. The link directly opens the product they flagged. The seal, the hologram, the serial, micromark, and the corrections are all timestamped on the clip. There's no room for doubt, and the email thread stops. If questions comes up, answer them with frames. Was the seal intact? Pause at the opening shot. Which cues did you verify? Pause at the hologram and the serial close-ups. What did you fix? Pause on the frame where the label was corrected. If they ask about speed, search by ASIN, open the clip in 5 seconds. Here's the value you bring. With VAudit, you're not just checking boxes, you're giving brands something they can rely on. Every claim is backed by video. Every supplier can be held to standard. And every SKUs that leave your dock starts with the proof.